Hello students, welcome to class 6 maths chapter 4 basic geometrical ideas. Students, let us study about curve. What is curve? Curve means the figures that can be drawn without lifting the pencil from the paper are called curves. So in mathematics a curve can be straight, though in common language it's not so. So when we draw curve, we cannot see that curve is straight. But in mathematical language, we can say that curve can be straight. So from this figure, you can observe, students, according to the definitions, these are the figure are drawn without lifting pencil. Here also, this is a circle that is drawn without lifting pencil. This is also drawn without lifting pencil. So these are the example of curve. Now students, what is simple curve? If a curve does not cross itself, it is called a simple curve. What is open curve, students? A curve which does not end at the starting point is called an open curve. Closed curve. A curve which ends at the starting point is called a closed curve. Let us understand this with an example. Students, here is an example of an open and closed figure. So what was the definition for open figure? That a curve which does not end at the starting point is called an open curve. So here you can see that this is a curve. Suppose this is a starting point. So this is a curve which does not end with the starting point. Hence it is an open curve. Suppose this is a closed curve. It is a closed curve. So here the definition is that a curve which ends at the starting point. So this is a starting point. If we draw this, it ends with the starting point. It is called closed curve. It is also simple curve. Why simple curve? Because the definition of simple curve is that if a curve does not cross itself. So here there is a curve which is not crossing itself. Hence it is also called simple curve. Now these are the two figures. The first figure is a closed figure. There is an inside and outside to the shape. To get from inside to outside, you must cross the boundary of the shape. This is an open figure. It is not closed. So there isn't an inside or outside. Even a portion that seems enclosed can be reached without crossing the boundary of the shape. So here, according to the definition, it says that it does not end with the starting points, and this is a figure which ends with the starting point. Polygon. What is polygon, students? A polygon is a simple closed curve made up of line segments. The line segments are the sides of polygon. Let us understand these definitions with one example. Students, this is a figure. What is the definition? A polygon is a simple closed curve. Now, simple closed curve means it is not crossed itself. So, this is a simple closed curve, and this is an example of polygon with line segments. Quadrilaters. What is quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is a type of a polygon with the four-sided. A four-sided polygon is a quadrilateral. It has four sides and angles. So here which are the four sides? AB, BC, CD and DA. Four angles, angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. So these are the four sides and angle. Sides means what, students? The line segments that form a polygon are called the sides of the polygon. Now let us understand about adjacent sides. Any two sides of a polygon which have a common endpoint. So for example here, if I take DC and CB, so which is the common endpoint? C. So it is called, these both are the adjacent pair. Similarly, if I take DA and AB, so what is the common endpoint? A. So these both are adjacent pair. So they are known as adjacent sides. Now what are vertices? The point where two sides of a polygon meet is called its vertex, and the plural it is known as vertices. For example, here vertex A, vertex B, vertex C, vertex D. So these are known as vertices. Thank you.